Hey, Mr. Carter, it's your biggest fan over here, your number one stan over here. Please continue doing what you do the best, because I know you're the best and you're the realest in the game. You're an inspiration to us, so continue being that.
So you the boss.
Hey, Mr. Carter, tell me where have you been? They've been asking, they've been searching, they've been wondering why. Hey, Mr. Carter, tell me where have you been? They've been asking, they've been searching, they've been wondering why.
Yo, hey, Kebo bakombidza ngamadzina barikada loud bangwe barikada medic. Hey, I bring the fire, you should probably bring the medic. Let the fire squad in the building. I'm the type of drug that turn your sister to an addict. I'm the Glock squeezing dude in the semi-automatic. I got them shooters doing time in a prison. Rap is just a patient, ain't no other fucking reason. Zikot wango song got medicine for depression. I let the pen bleed, the struggles that I feel. For real, Mr. Carter keep it 100 degrees. Ay, never out of sight when you need me. I know the whole hood gonna feel this. Gori, ndikare ndikopanda, frontline dan dipanda. Ay, started as a wannabe, zin on dim sanda. This it is so easy, barikata huna tanda. Wow.
Tell me where have you been? They've been asking, they've been searching, they've been wondering why. Hey, Mr. Carter, tell me where have you been? They've been asking,
whoa.
they've been searching,
Check it,
they've been wondering
check it. Say, hey, everywhere I pass, people stare. Energy hella rare. I leave them niggas scared. They look at me with envy. Asking questions like, why is he a king if his daddy ain't royal? Why is he the greatest to do it without a deal from me? Daddy plays, my strike remains clean. Flyers a bad niko, pupas are gone. I've been on the scene, but over somebody. Tell me the reason to pardon your disbelief. Ninja Zelda passing like your roses on a tree. Hey, I'm a butterfly to a caterpillar, going through some changes, hustle till I die. Ay, did I hear the best, but it's worth it. Adversity and struggles, man, I wanna live it. Creeping through the city with dreams of being a king, a fucking empire. I'm elevating in the streets.
Mr. Carter, tell me where have you been? They've been asking, they've been searching, they've been wondering why. Hey, Mr. Carter, tell me where have you been? They've been asking, they've been searching, they've been wondering
Wow.
why.
Look, hey, verse 3 and I'm still going harder. Show me a rapper who can really fuck with Carter. Ay, I'm the young gunner, Mr. Young Stunner. Married to the game, Zikandi, me Yabana. Hey, cut a lot of bodies with this rap shit. Pen bleeds knowledge, I ain't down with the trap shit. Leaders of the new school, I'm laying rules. Born in April, never been a fool. I'm the victim of poverty, breaking through castes. Did it with these verses. 015, Jadeda representing. One rep on the Zimbabwe, cause they're aiming for the cheese. I'm the Malcolm X of the streets. 2 fingers up, cause I'm fighting for the streets. I say 2 fingers up, cause I'm praying for the peace. Yeah, cause I'm praying for the peace. It's Mr. Catalog. Tell me what you know. Said I've been through troubles and tribulations. Yeah, I've been through struggles. Cause I've been through adversity. Trust me, it ain't really easy. Trying to get it, started from the bottom. But now Mr. Carter back. Swear to God, that nigga really bad.